Oh, it doesn't look good. The asphalt bin got a hole in her. We're all the way in this bin. The old bin. She's got a hole in her. Yeah, these are 2 layers because they heat up. The heat circulates in between here and in between these pipes. And you can see the different layers down there. We're just going to be replacing the top layer. This guy's had this for a while. It's pretty beat up. So he doesn't want to put a lot of money into it. So we're going to bend them up a piece. That'll slide right up the middle. And that center support. And should work pretty good. I got a little template here with the angle. So we just got to keep bending it until it lines up. Now we got our piece bent and we got this area cleaned up a bit. And we're running off the LN25 today. All right. And that power source is the Miller Maxtron 450 over there. And we're going to use the Arc Captain grinder and to clean up the metal before we weld it. So let's test this baby out. It's a pretty cool grinder. It has a couple features that normal grinders don't have. Like this button right here allows the whole thing to turn. And let's see here. So I just push that button and that head turns. And so now your hand is right here, but your cutting is there, you know. It's actually kind of ergonomic if you're like around a corner or something. But yeah, let's test it out. Yeah, this Arc Captain grinder works good with the spinning head. That way I can get in right like this. This whole area cleaned up. We're going to slide the patch in and test fit it and then kind of wedge it into place. Alright, well we got that test piece fit in there. It fits pretty good. We'll have to put a couple patches in the center, but we're going to weld it in now. Alright, we got that patch in there. Got it all welded up the best we can. This is pretty nasty material. It's tar. So, like I said, we were using the LN25. It's set right under 218.5 volts. Arc Captain grinder did a great job. And looks good. Customer will be happy. The asphalt's not falling out of his trailer anymore.